Doggy, and Nolan is gonna show us about endangered wolves.
As you can see, wolves are endangered. There's like no left. Zero, I tell you. There's only a couple left. Well, a couple thousand, whatever. Well, they're on the endangered list. I looked it up today. It's good. But it's like, wow, I need more wows.
I think it's a no-no. Because wolves shouldn't be endangered because people hunt them for nothing. Type of food, I don't know really right now what it is, so I'll tell you later in the video. So I'm just gonna be silly right now.
But as you can see, I'm everywhere. I tell people I'm on cameras. People make paintings of me. I'm at malls. I mean train stations. I'm at a busy shady street. Look at that guy. I'm on windows. I'm in busy cities. I'm even in theaters. And I'm on the building of place. So now you see how good I know. And I'm crying because of the endangered bug. It's sad. It's like they're gone. Darkness. Bam! 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 Like pretend that's wolf. It's running away from the hunter. Exclamation. Well, anyways, wolves are endangered. We should stop hunting. There's like only 1,000 left in the world, and it's like everyone loves wolves, but no one seems to care now that they're being endangered. People are like, yeah. Some people are just like, ha ha ha. Some people are like punch to the people who don't like wolves. Like me, I love wolves, but no one doesn't like me.
Except for my buddy here. Hi. He looks exactly like me, and he does the exact same thing as me. Okay, this is weird, right? Okay. Well, thank you for watching my endangered wolf video. We'll come and see you later.